Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. When it comes to irrigation survey work, go no farther than SCON Design India Private Limited. In-depth surveys are conducted by their team of specialists using cutting-edge technology and new methods so that customers can make educated judgments regarding their irrigation systems. Irrigation surveying requires in-depth research on potential irrigation sites, water supply, distribution system, soil composition, plant needs, and climate trends. Surveys conducted by SCON Design India Private Limited are guaranteed to be thorough, dependable, and reasonably priced. Clients get in-depth reports that flag possible problems and provide advice on how to optimize their irrigation systems. Clients may save time, money, and resources with SCON Design India Private Limited's irrigation survey services while still providing their crops and plants with the ideal quantity of water. Thanks for watching.